Laws.com.
How to file for divorce in New Mexico. Step 1. Confirm eligibility. Before filing for dissolution of marriage in New Mexico, one must ensure eligibility with regards to the state's residency requirements. New Mexico divorce law states that either spouse must have resided in the state for at least 6 months immediately prior to the date of the filing. Moreover, either spouse must have a domicile in New Mexico to be ruled eligible. If a spouse meets these requirements, the petition for divorce may be filed in the county where either party resides. In addition to the residency requirements, you must ensure that your proceeding meets one of the state's legal grounds for termination. Currently, New Mexico allows a divorce to be granted based on one of the following no-fault or fault grounds: incompatibility, adultery, abandonment, and cruel and inhuman treatment. Step 2. Secure appropriate forms. After confirming eligibility, you must go to the county courthouse where you are planning to file for divorce and procure the appropriate forms. You can secure these forms from the clerk of the county court or download them from sites such as your locality's webpage or laws.com. New Mexico requires you to file forms which reflect your situation, particularly the presence of children and any requests made for child custody or support. Therefore, if your divorce is being initiated with children involved, you must file the state's divorce petition with children worksheet. If your marriage did not produce any children and you and your spouse mutually agree to the divorce, your filing will be relatively simple. Step 3. Spousal support and property distribution. New Mexico is a community property state, meaning that debts and property acquired during the marriage are split equally unless the spouses reach an agreement out of court. If you have a particular claim for separate property, your spouse must agree to the distribution. If you and your spouse cannot agree on the distribution of property, your petition will go to mediation or pre-trial conference hearings. If a settlement can be reached, your petition will bypass formal hearings or negotiations. With regards to spousal support, alimony may be awarded on a transitional, indefinite, or rehabilitative basis. If you request alimony, the court is required to review your claim against several predetermined rules, including the age, health, and means of support, and the current and future earnings of you and your spouse.
To watch more videos, please make sure to visit Laws.com.